Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a 2013 Mercedes CL 550. Technically the screen is same as the S-Class, so you can buy the S-Class screen from us or under CL category, and they're both the same. So I'm going to show you how the unit looks like, and right now we are doing wireless CarPlay. So my iPhone is connected wirelessly to the screen, and you can see the screen fits perfectly fine in the CL 550 2013, and it's fully touch screen, so you can use the touch and you can use Google Maps without any problem. And by clicking on Mercedes logo, it goes to our main menu, Android main menu. You can use the command knob to scroll left and right, and by going to NTG mode, it goes to the factory command system. And also here you can see that's the replacement, digital replacement for those commands on the left side of the screen to lift the car up, down, and suspensions to go to sport, aromatic sport, disabled, vehicle rising, working properly, let me make the light lower, and also parking off, it works, and you can dim the screen brighter or less bright. So it retains all the factory features, and on top of that you get the beautiful Android side. And if your S-Class comes with backup camera or CL Class, it retains the backup camera. If it doesn't come, you can add the backup camera. All the apps are here. You can download any apps directly inside the unit. Google Store is there, and also you can play video. So if I go to apps and then I go to video, I can see full screen video.
Alright, let's get to work.
Hey, Rowan, you freaking out?
No.
Yes, you are.
Should somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
Justin, you didn't think you could get any better, huh?
Here we go.
If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can go to our website and purchase it online. We do live tech support during installation, and any problem you can give us a call from 10 a.m. Eastern time to 5 p.m. Eastern time. So one of our technicians will be more than happy to guide you through the setup, and if any technical issues you're facing during the installation. Thank you and have a great day.